Everybody, welcome back once again. Feels like it's been a minute since I talked to you guys. I've been running around going to Moto America, doing all those other videos for a minute, feels like, but just hasn't been out with me and Beyonce, just kind of chilling. And well, she's been kind of down and out because I was trying to go easy on the old tires because the old tires were getting bald, so I didn't ride as much. And then I had to take her in to go get new tires put on, so that took about a day and a half or so. And finally got her back, obviously, because she's here. Then took her up to Lake Burton the other day, and just trying to test out the new tires, see how they feel. So far, obviously, they're still brand new tires, so they are okay. I pretty much just scrubbed them. I pretty much have broke them in or scrubbed them, however you want to refer to it. But that process is pretty much already done, because from Lake Burton to here, from where I'm at, I mean, and riding around up there too, I've pretty much put at least 100 or so miles on it already. So should be pretty decent and ready to rock and roll. But I'm still not going to push it hard. Give it a couple more, maybe another 100 or so miles before I start kind of leaning into it and pushing it a little bit harder. But hopefully these will work out fine. If you don't know, I've got the Pirelli Angel GT2s. Put them on. They're supposed to have good life on them because it is more of a sport touring wheel, so it should handle more miles than my Battle X S22s. So I'm hoping that obviously I'll get more miles out of it, because a lot of I guess, like I said, even if I'm going up into the mountains, a lot of it is straight line running. So it does take a toll on the center portion of tires when I say, even if I'm running up into the mountains, because it takes like an hour or so to get up there. So, and again, most of my riding I'm doing is usually like this, where it's kind of in town and not really leaning the bike over. So hopefully these bad boys will give me more of a life in the center strip. It's supposed to. It's a dual compound, softer on the outside, a little bit harder on the inside for the extended life. So we'll see how it rolls. A lot of individuals have run these tires, and I mean, I'm seeing reviews are up to 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. I think even one guy pretty much said he had like 11,000 miles on it, and it was still pretty decent. He said he probably could have pushed it more, but he was like, nah, forget it, it's just time to go ahead and replace it. But I said, at 11,000 miles, man, that's like, whew, that's like more than, that's a lot, okay? Obviously that's a lot of miles, so I'm cool with that. If I can get anywhere from, honestly, if I can get anywhere from 8 to about 10,000 miles off of this, I think it's money well spent. I think that they would have probably paid for themselves already, given that the Battle X, brand new from the dealer, I was able to put about, I think it was right around like 42 to about 4,500 miles on it, and that was basically the end of the life for, you know, for that set. So like I say, if I can double that with these, putting it at about 82 or close to tripling it, giving it at you know, 8 to 10,000, 10 to 11, if I really push it, maybe 12,000. I mean, if I'm tripling what I normally would have gotten off of Battle X, so I think that would be money well spent on the tires. And I didn't pay too much for them. Well, I want to say I didn't expect, I expected more, but I guess it was roughly around what I would normally pay for tires. I'm not sure, but I paid just a little over 300 for them. So considering, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, we're going to be out and about. I'm going to be running around some of the some of my roads that I sort of practice on. So y'all going to see the secret practice roads that I go on. So I can't be telling y'all where my secret passage is, man. This is where I train. This is where I go hard. I'm just kidding, but I do ride these roads a lot because I do train on them. They're inside of town, they're not that far from my house, so I get the ability to really lean the bike over on these curves. There's a few different spots, there's a few different roads that I have that are kind of close together where I've pieced out my track. All right, so this is where I run. Okay, this is my track. Okay, so when I'm running around town and I don't have time to go to the mountains to run up there, then I run my track here. So I'll be running around in my track here in a little bit, but I'm not in my track suit, so obviously I'm not going to be pushing hard. I'm in this mesh, this ABS comp suit, or EVS, my bad. It's the EVS comp suit, so it does not give me full leather protection, obviously, because it is hot. Okay, it is like 80 something degrees today, so I'm not full leather, nothing. But I'm going to get the bike leaned over a little bit and have some fun on her. So I'll be running back and forth on my track, probably making my track that I have. It's a big loop. I created a big loop on it, so it should be pretty fun. Got a decent amount of twisties, a little bit of a kind of a straightaway run, but I'm not doing anything top speed, so that just gives me the straightaway really just kind of gives me a break and stuff of that nature. So it's where I can kind of chill out, but it should be pretty fun here in a little bit. Once I get there, I'm almost there. As you guys know, there are no street Rossies here. This is public streets, so we're gonna run, we're gonna have some fun, but we're gonna be careful. We're having some fun. That is why we don't bust it through here, because it is a public road.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la. got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.